hardly going forward. The winds are about 30 miles an hour. Really having a bad job. I don't even know where this is. Ah, here it is. There is stuff there. Oh, it's quite a lot. I need to put my glasses on. Hang on a minute. Ugh. The idea is to get some drone shots and come back, because I'm running out of time. Let's brighten the picture up a bit. Let's just see what's there. Getting a strong wind warning. I can see a Citroen 2CV. It's hard to see on my phone, but that's worth going down to have a look at. Doesn't seem to be anybody living there. You can hear how strong that wind is. There's a Jag. Recognise a Jag. Pickup. Obviously somebody's going down there because see, I don't even know if anybody lives there. Let's have a look at this house. Is that if somebody lives there, I can't go in. I think there's some American cars there. Well, I'll have to come back or sneak down and have a look now. So you don't know what's in those sheds there. Oh, what's in those trees? Right, gonna bring the drone back.